competition. It is arranged by the ESAIL of IIT. So ESAIL is a basically combination of students as well as their ex-students who are already starting their small businesses or medium-scale business or their startups. So it's a competition is all about the creating awareness in your college about the entrepreneurship. So in the first task we have created the FB page, YouTube, we are putting the videos, we are putting the presentations which we are going to take into the colleges. So that kind of task we are doing. In this task, like they are just wanting to ask you how you are creating the ecosystem in your college to make people entrepreneurship. So that's why we are just taking your views and arranging some questions. And the first question is, what is basically your views on entrepreneurship? Like nowadays, they are saying that entrepreneurship is not about just earning the money, or it's just a startup which is which would help society or which would give the earnings. So what is your views on that, sir?
As far as our country is concerned,
As far as our country is concerned.
see, the question is that we have the people who have the potential to become entrepreneurs. But because of the system, especially the government rules and regulations, people are not so keen to start their business. Unless we change that, the people will not think and start their own business, because they know that, starting a business in our country at any level is not so easy. So that is the first day the roadblock. In terms of starting, people are there, they are thinking it. But the first hurdle, how to handle such situation, which is beyond their control.
But sir, there are still some government plans are there, subsidies are there to those who want to start their small businesses, which are helpful for the society. Government are giving the subsidies. So they are there's some kind of force to attract people for the entrepreneurship also.
Yes.
So
See, these are on paper.
okay.
But if you really go through that process, there are so many hurdles created artificially. So that ultimately, unless you follow their way,
Exactly.
you will not get a subsidy.
Is that no, sir? If you've seen just a week ago, there was this Gujarat government, the Chief Minister of Gujarat, coming to Mumbai and telling that we'll support you in setting up a business or anything that you want from Gujarat, from water to electricity, we'll support you.
Yes.
So, do you think that thing would support or would
No, the
be of
question is
motivation?
why Gujarat government should come to Maharashtra? Why not Maharashtra government?
Exactly.
Isn't it? Why not the same thing has been told by any minister or any government official from Maharashtra? Why do you expect someone from Gujarat to come to Maharashtra? It only means that Gujarat may have the better credibility than Maharashtra. That's why they are coming here.
So, so what's on your view, like in a current situation, like the competitive market, as you are saying that there is a good roadblock from the government also
Yes.
not to giving a good situation for the entrepreneurship. So, what is your view, like current students like from IGTC, they should go for the job or they should go for the entrepreneurship?
First, they should go for a job. Intention is to start their entrepreneurship, entrepreneur, isn't it? To become entrepreneur. But unless you have some experience in the job, in the job, what will you get? How to handle the government?
Exactly.
At least that experience you are getting it, and your more concentration is to how to get along with this government regulations, their process.
Correct.
That will give an idea. If you want to do on your own, then what are the methods available? Rather than taking a risk and then repenting later.
So you are saying that after 3 or 4 years of experience, they can start
Yes,
off.
exactly.
And that will be more sustainable.
Because that's one of the trainings, isn't it?
Exactly.
Which you can't impart in your college.
Exactly. Sir, don't you feel that now the colleges, the universities are totally focusing on academics rather than totally focusing on entrepreneur or
Not
how
only
can a person-
academics, only examination.
Only examination. Correct.
Which is true.
So, what do you feel, sir? How should that particular system be changed and how can
Question
that
is who should change the system? The system should be changed by the government. Because ultimately government has the power and has the authority to do it, isn't it? You and I cannot change the system.
Correct.
Because we have to follow the system. You are not the creator of the system. So unless government takes the initiatives, maybe they can take the help of or the assistance from the experts in this line,
Exactly.
and then they can decide how to change the system so that it becomes useful. Whatever training we are imparting should be useful. Otherwise, what is the purpose of giving the training? Isn't it? So government has to take the initiative. Otherwise, it's very difficult.
But say, irrespective of the government system which they have designed for the MBA students or any technical students, like some colleges like IIT or IIMs,
Yeah.
after immediately passing out from those colleges, they are giving the incentive, they are giving them place to have their offices.
Yes.
So, what are your suggestion for IGTC? Like in IGTC, it's already job driven. Like
Yes.
companies come, they do the internship.
Right.
So our system is totally job driven. So what are your suggestion to make it like make student inspire about the entrepreneurship?
Now, IGT is an autonomous body. You referred IITs, IIMs. Why they can do this? Because they are autonomous. They are not part of UGC or IGT or other, this HRD ministry. Because they are autonomous, they can take the decision on their own. As far as IGT is concerned, German companies who are already established their business in India, they should participate in this activity. Because they are already doing the business, isn't it? They should come here and help the students to start their own activity. It's not only question of academics.
But
Beyond
will they support
they should take the initiative, isn't it? They are supporting for the placement, isn't it?
Exactly.
Why not for the entrepreneurship? Placement if they are doing the jobs. Why not help the students in starting their own activity?
Okay. So telling that the companies which are collaborating with the IGTC, they only should take the initiative to promote the people to go in.
Yes. Suppose they have technology
Exactly.
and they want to start outsourcing, isn't it? Why not take the students from IGTC and help them to establish the their unit so that becomes like a backward integration.
Definitely. And then, so like apart from this support from the companies, can we create the environment in the IGTC like having some discussion session with the current entrepreneur who are just entered into the entrepreneurship? Can we have some discussion with them? Can we have some session workshops regarding the entrepreneurship? Can we just create the awareness about the entrepreneurship? How we can start? What are the steps?
So what do you feel like? Will this be a particular thing be helpful?
This way at a very initial stage. Just like this becomes one of the subjects, entrepreneurship development, isn't it? So person who has already started his own business, he can come here and he can give his experience, how he started, isn't it?
Exactly.
So that's the live examples are there. But beyond that, then you want to start on your own, somebody should be there. And the best way will be all engineering companies, German companies already here. Let them participate in developing the entrepreneurs and starting entrepreneurs by the IGTC students.
And sir, any particular suggestion about the IGTC system, like whatever it is, like it is a job driven, entrepreneurship driven, how good it be? Means after 3 or 4 years also these students who are passing out from the IGTC, they should think about the entrepreneurship. Unless and until they think about the entrepreneurship, they cannot go for the any risk or any startups after 3 or 4 experience, 3 or 4 years experience also. So what are your suggestions to incorporate some seeds in their mind to start the entrepreneurship after 3 or 4 years also?
See, one is as far as when you start your own business, isn't it? Then you are getting the help from a company. In terms of academics, isn't it? Possibly we can think of improving the what you call utility of our academics, so that whatever is being taught or the way we teach the subject, that subject can help the students actually to use.
Exactly.
When he goes for a job or starts his own activity. So there, some German academics from German or some German system, we can see the system, we can incorporate the system in our methodology.
So, sir, do you think that we should be starting off with an entrepreneurship subject or something like that in the course that will motivate these students to get into it? Because now also if you see, in a batch of 58 or 60, we don't find that spirit in somebody to start up an entrepreneur or to be an entrepreneur in the coming 5 years also.
Because we are not thinking of that line, isn't it?
Exactly.
Because as an adult, because that particular direction, we never think. We will talk about job. We are talking about a job, what type of job, what type of company I should think of joining it. Nobody starts up what type of business I should start. Nobody thinks of because of the environment. And unless we change the environment, the thinking process will not start. Instead of going for a job, let me think of going for the entrepreneur, becoming an entrepreneur.
Correct. That's what now the only thing is कि after you finish off with your MBA or MMS or whatever it is, you are only stick to कि मुझे job करना है or I have to take up a job or something.
Exactly.
There is nothing as a feeling that I should start up a company or if suppose if their father or their uncle is into business, then they feel कि okay, chalo, I'll continue that business, I'll continue that. But There's not a self-initiative that comes up with. I
It's
think
a continuation of business, not creating an side. Yeah, they're starting a new business.
exactly. So I think that thing that lacks is people are not aware about it. People are not aware about how to go ahead with it. Or there's not interest that creates a person to.
See, the interest, why interest is not there? Because they know that if they think of doing this, it's very difficult to convert into reality. Because of the hurdles which you have. So instead of facing the hurdles, why not have a safe path? And the safe path is getting a job.
Exactly.
Correct. And so one more thing is, if you have heard about big examples, now if you see any successful entrepreneur, like be it from any industry, it doesn't need to be that he is much qualified into his line of business. It is basically small time people who come here, come to Mumbai and create a fortune. Okay, if you're aware about many entrepreneurs like that. So even we had a presentation given about Shashi Kiran Shetty, if you're aware about Al Cargo Logistics, who purchased Rajesh Khanna's bungalow, as well as a person called as Ganpati, who set up Dosa Plaza. These people are just small-time people who came to Mumbai. So it doesn't mean that you should be really qualified enough. It means that you should be having that spirit, basically the spirit inside you to take risks, to take challenges in life. So what do you feel, sir, except for spirit and challenges, what should be that inner sense of starting up an entrepreneur, like to be an entrepreneur?
First thing, there you must be willing to take the risk,
Yes. Exactly.
right? And you should not get disturbed. Because if suppose you fail, then what? You should be prepared for that. Possibly you may have or you should have the support from your family.
Exactly.
Because you're starting your career and at the beginning of the career, suppose you fail, then you should be ready how to face that failure. So that must be very clear to you. And second thing, that you must have the good contacts. Because you are not expert in every area, isn't it? Suppose you want the help, you should know who is the person to whom you can approach and get the help.
Exactly.
So you should have the kind, you must have the knowledge in terms of, if you want this help, who is the person who can give the help? So you must have good contacts. And basically it is a risk. And beyond that, your luck.
Yes. So basically, it's a risk-taking ability, then ability to handle the failures, and then your networking capacity, and then the support from the family is required to start make a startup, your own startup. Okay. So, we'll take the suggestion.
So one tip that you would like to give to the agitations, like what would you say, ki, except for the studies, except for to study hard, what would you say as an entrepreneur, what would you like? How would you start up?
Another we can put up in that way, like what do you think? What is the essence of the course which they can take to start their own startups in the future? What are the essence in the IGTC which they can extract?
As a student, what I can suggest that there are certain what they call reference material available. For example, you have Apple, how he started, Google, how he started, isn't it? See, there are nothing but success stories. So read the success stories and try to digest what exactly they have done it. As a student, you can do it, isn't it? So that will give you the real life examples, how they started, and that will give you some idea to you. If you want to start, then how you should go ahead.
And so one last question, like in a further task, we need one faculty advisor from our college. So will you be able to give some time to us in the the task will be ended up to December? Yeah. It will be go on up to December. So will you be able to give us some time to advise our team how to go on, like to promote entrepreneurship in our college?
Entrepreneurship is not my area. Because I have not dealt with that area, isn't it? Because as you know, my area is a quantitative thing, isn't it?
Exactly.
So yeah, I'm not expert in that.
No, but in this task we have to take the like in every task there is some kind of questionnaires also. We have to take the responses from the people.
See,
So-
that way definitely I will help you. In terms of suppose you want to prepare a questionnaire, you have to do an analysis. There definitely I will help you. But not as an entrepreneur subject as such. That is because that's not my area.
No, it's not exactly entrepreneurship, but all the things are revolving around
Yes,
entrepreneurship.
definitely. As for the research is concerned, any consumer research or any field work you have to do it, preparing questionnaire, then doing the analysis, definitely I will help you.
Sure, sir. We will keep you updated about our tasks and our assignments. And thank you very much.
We'll get back to you, sir. So anytime if you have any doubt, we'll surely get back to you.
Yes, definitely you can call.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
All the best.
Thank you very much for your time, sir.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.